We have this '09 Audi A8, and we're having some problems with the throttle. We try adapting it, it loses the adaptation, so we're going to go ahead and change the connector that goes into the actual throttle body, and they have updated the connectors. So I already got the new plug. I got the new connectors in, and they come double. They come as one, so they come double. With this one I cut it already, but it comes double, like both sides. They have a connector, a terminal, so you can actually put one in, and then you put the other one in, and then you cut it. So that's how I did this one. So you only need 3. That will do all 6 of them. And then what I do is I put heat sink in there. So this one I cut it in half. I'm going to cut them in half. That's going to be enough. So I put one on each. And so then what I do is I bring them all the way down. And then I get a piece of tape, so they're not in my way when I'm working. So now they're not going to slide out. So I'm going to go ahead and this is the harness. I already stripped it. I already cut it. I'm going to go ahead and strip it, and then I'm going to solder them together. Make sure they all go in the right position. So make sure you put them. This is the old plug, so make sure you take them all. Whatever number, you have to match the numbers with the wire. Yeah, they're not interchangeable. So you have to be careful with that. Each wire has to go in each color, and this come in one color, so you have to be careful not to mix them.